What it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube. I could do that better. Hold on. What it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube. Fuck. I just woke up. One more take. What it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube. A little better, right? Sorry. I just got up, y'all.
What's up, kitties? Hi. Hello, it's okay. Hi. What's up, kitties?
I'll leave you alone. They was like plotting on some stuff. They're like, bro, don't fuck up our shit right now, man. Y'all, I am currently, y'all see how the animals just be popping up in the vlogs, you know? I'm headed to the park again. Y'all already know. Get this workout in, knocked out, and the rest of the day, you feel me? Got everything on my list for today. Working is on there today. I gotta go back to work today. I get to go back to work today. Yee! So no. But yes, I am grateful that I have a place to work and make money. So what I'm doing today is going to the park to work out, right? And then after that, I am gonna come back home, get ready for work, head to work at noon is when I have to work, and do some motherfucking haircuts, you feel me? What else? What else? I'm not probably gonna rehearse today. I might, because I have a little time. But rehearsing takes about 30 minutes, because I think I have like a 30-minute set list. But I might just wait till after work for that today. And y'all see I'm not on my bike today. I just decided to walk up here because it's not far, you know? And the other day I drove just because I had to work that day. I'm not fucking going into all that. Yeah, y'all, it's workout time. And let's do it. All right, y'all, I'm in Cermak right now. Favorite grocery store. Ain't nobody in here right now. It's usually packed like 6 a.m. But it's 9 a.m. So I think all the old people did all their shopping. Gotta get some water. You know, them sprints. And to the checkout. We're getting set up, y'all. Lady fell down over here. The fuck you want me to do about it? Tell her ass get up. Cause if at first she don't succeed. Say no, I'm just playing, y'all. I hope she's okay, whoever that lady is. Oh, the ambulance or the fire hydrant's there. Oh, fire hydrant. Fire department. Where's the amber lamp? Call the amber lamp. Tell them breathe, bro. Fuck, dude. Yeah, can you turn me up in the phone, dude? Oh, yeah, dude. I fuck with this. I fuck with this shit, dude. It's like summertime, you know? Fuck, dude. Shit, man. Oh, fuck. Wow. Yeah, like that. Exactly like that. Me too, dude. talking about they spend. Are we gonna have to go through this? Welcome you to my city. Treat your family properly. Make you eat your broccoli. Well, suggested. I don't know this way, but I know that we'll grow today. I'm sure of it, sure of it, sure of it. Summer's on the way again, and we're shedding our skin. Whoa. What friends will we make this time? Will we have rhythm and rhyme? Or will we fall away, fall away, fall away? Man, look, woke up like, aw shit. God gave me a day again. Then went outside, I could tell summer's on its way again. Get to see some grass grow, get to see kids play again. Plus some family members got some babies on the way again. Summer is one of the best time. I ain't gotta sell it, he hotter than July already. Let my supporters tell it. But this summer I'm making music, money and memories. And don't you try and quell it. If you do, you are our enemy. Yeah. Summer 2025. Let's go.
Kids, I already know you do this, but don't put your socks on. Don't put shoes on. Without socks after you work out, because y'all, kids feet stink. How do I know? I used to be one, all right? I used to be one, as Robin Williams said. You know, wow. Drink water, y'all. Drink some water, especially you. You look dehydrated right now. I didn't mean that in a mean way, though. You look good still. Just get some water. Y'all, I'm not the youngest man no more, but I still feel good. Feel me? You feel me? Let's get it, yeah. Oh, shit.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave.
No. I seen him earlier. Attack somebody. Yeah. Woo. That motherfucker popped out. Y'all seen it on camera. What is going on? These Chicago birds be tweaking. Oh, my mama. But I did read somewhere that one of y'all's birds is super aggressive. I thought it was the one that looked more like a cardinal. Bruh, I'm not scared of no birds. But fuck if they can't do some, unfair shit. Fly, start pecking you. Bro, them beaks, no joke. Y'all seen though. I don't know if y'all can see it on video. Ah, my bad. I don't know if y'all can see it. I swung this big ass bottle in the air. And I was like, whoa. I started swinging the bottle like this. Just landed and he backed up a little bit. It might have been a mom though, protecting her nest. So that's fair. But I swung that bottle, I was like, you gonna be a dead bird? But that's how I know. I think it was just a mother territorial thing because she didn't pursue me. She just hovered and made sure she stayed close. And then earlier when I seen, I promise you, I think it was the same bird. I might have it on video too. She popped out on these other two birds that were close to her. And I don't know if it's he or her, but we'll just assume that it was a mom bird trying to protect her offspring. She just hovered around it, you know what I mean? She just letting people know. Not here, not mine. I respect it. You know what I'm saying? I know these cars in Chicago need to quit being so damn eager though. For my mama. But yeah, y'all. Shout out to Puerto Ricans, the Boricuas. Shout out to y'all. The real ones, not the fake ones. The 10 people, culture stealers. Yeah, that's all. Have a good day, y'all.
I'm not doing stuff. Why you trouble with that bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord. Alright, y'all. I missed the whole little interaction I just had with some cool people. here at Empty Bottle. Cool little place, but I didn't have my ID, so I couldn't get in. But the guy at the door was really cool, took up my flyer, and apparently, guess where he works? Yeah. So he might be working that night. I was like, I'll see you then if you are. And then I met somebody named Conrad who watched my bike for me while I went in. Conrad was cool as hell, and said they love Cafe Mustache, and they live right by it, and they like go to open mic night on Tuesdays. So I'm gonna go Tuesday so I can practice a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, with a crowd though. So I'm excited, y'all. Like, dang, that was what's up. I think I'm in Ukrainian Village right now. I'm close to home. I'm kind of by Wicker Park too. I'm just looking for places to actually put a flyer up, you know? I hope y'all can hear me. The wind's blowing a little bit. But yeah, man, like, so awesome. I'm so grateful. And me and my boy Kiwan was just having a conversation about, you know, just doing more and more with the stuff that you want to do and get into, and how the universe rewards that and sees that, you know. And I feel like I almost didn't, I almost just went straight home, but I'm glad I didn't, because I told myself I'm hanging up flyers, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to just drive through the little Puerto Rican part of the neighborhood and see where we can put a flyer. Boricua, Boricua, Boricua. Yeah. Hey, out, y'all. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. They out here, y'all. You know, stay weekend. La Boricuas. La Boricuas is out, baby. Yeah. He got the blowhorn. I'm done. That's hilarious. Bro, even the little white truck got the flag on the side of it. Look. Oh, I thought that was playing Kodak for a second. All right, y'all. This looks like a good place just because people walk down here all the time. Like right here? Yeah. Let's do it. Best freaking tape in the world, Kev. Yeah, y'all. We out here. What's up, my man? How you doing? Yeah, we out here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to put this down here too. Alright, y'all. Hung it up. Now I'm envisioning people coming, looking at it. Oh, Cafe Mustache. I love that place. Or I heard of that place. I really want to go. I heard they have good stuff. Who's that? SpongeBob? Sponge? Who's that? Nude? That's like Sir Isaac Nude. Taj, like Mahal. Oh, I like that. $10 donation. That's perfect. Well, I don't know why I'm doing like a girl voice. 7 p.m. That, like, I literally wanted something to do that day at 7 p.m. What the fuck? And it's not far from here. What? I love Milwaukee Ave. Oh my God. Pay what you can. These people are too generous. I gotta go see what they're about. They gotta do that. Their shit has to be great. I know it is. All right, y'all. Envisioned it. Even had a little conversation with it. You know what I mean? It's gonna happen. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm back in the lab. About to upload or edit a day 3 vlog. I'm not gonna even keep it long, y'all. I hope y'all had a great Thursday, and I hope you make Friday even better for yourself. Yeah. I'll see y'all soon.
Bring your fucking ass to that show if you're in town, bitch. Yeah, love you.